Around 7 o'clock this evening, the New Jersey Transit light rail train and Jersey City fire truck collided near Washington Boulevard. TV 1055's Andrea Grymes is live on the scene with more for us. Andrea?
Dick and Alice, New Jersey Transit believes about 15 people are injured. It's unknown the extent of the injuries, but let me show you this very active scene down below. You can see that Hudson Bergen light rail train off the tracks here at 6th Street, and all of the crews that are here that have responded. About 40 yards away or so is the fire truck, and you could see investigators around there inspecting as well. Let's show you some video we shot just a short time ago. New Jersey Transit says this happened around 7:15 at the intersection here at 6th Street. This is right near the Newport Center Mall. 10 people, they say, on board the train, plus an operator, reported having injuries. The extent of those, again, unknown. New Jersey Transit says it's also been reported that 4 firefighters in that truck, the Jersey City fire truck, were taken to the hospital. And as well, those injuries are unknown. Service between Marin Boulevard and Newport Station has been suspended in both directions. Again, this happened just about 2 hours ago, but this entire scene and several blocks in the vicinity are shut down as they try to figure out exactly how this happened. But again, at least 15 people have been injured. Reporting live in Jersey City, Andrea Grymes, TV 1055.